Begin by turning on the flash machine. Next, adjust your power setting to 6. If you plan to flash multiple units, we recommend you use the optional cooling fan. Open the lid on the flash machine. We recommend stapling your vellum to the transparency to keep them from shifting during production. Place your vellum in the exposure chamber. Place the Super Slim unit onto the vellum foam side down, carefully aligning it with the artwork. Close the lid, push the handle forward until it locks, and press the flash button. There will be a single flash. Disengage the handle, open the lid, and peel your flash die from the vellum. To prep your ink bottle, start by removing the cap from the nipple. For proper ink flow, cut the nipple just above the first notch. Replace the cap on the nipple. Unscrew the cap on your ink bottle and replace it with the nipple. Your ink bottle is now ready for use. To ink your Super Slim Stamp, fill the reservoir all the way to the top or to the designated fill line. Migration time is 30 minutes for Forever ink and 1 hour for premium ink. Once the ink has fully migrated, you can stamp the index, place it on top of the stamp, and snap on the index cover. Your Super Slim Stamp is now ready to use.